Welcome to General Fittings stand at ISH exhibition in Frankfurt. This is our range of products displayed during this exhibition. We got many new products, like the 90-degree manifold for water distribution and heating system, with the possibility to be combined one to the other thanks to the O-ring, which gives you the possibility to align the exit when it is composed by different models like this. We have a solution 3/4 and 1 inch with the port 1/2 inch, 3/4 and 24 by 19. This is our standard range of manifold for water distribution, again with the same system O-ring to be able to connect different kind of manifold and do the size you want. Then, of course, one of our most popular system is the sliding sleeve fitting range. Now we got also the possibility to have a plastic sleeve, so we got metal, brass, as well as plastic. Of course, suitable for the application of PEX pipe as well as multi-layer pipe. With the plastic sleeve, it's also very useful to use manual tools, so not only electrical tool but even manual tool for multi-layer pipe as well. To complete the range, we develop also some dimension and a version for underfloor heating system, 16 by 2.0, 17 by 2.0 and 20 by 2.0. Of course, the surface is nickel plated to differentiate from the standard axial fitting system. Recently we developed and we increased the range of our underfloor heating manifolds. So now we have different possibility. The standard brass bar version. We have also this system hot stamped model, which is really suitable for different kind of installation, since it is a modular system. So you can combine different lengths in order to make the ports, the exit that you need for the underfloor heating system. Our range of panel for underfloor heating, we have the standard one, but we have also these special ones for special application. We develop also a stainless steel underfloor heating manifold, as well as the system which is called Holler. So Kariba, of course, is part of our group. It's a company established in 1960, so it's a really quite old established company in Italy. We have a full range of in-wall tanks as well as exposed tank with the system for wall hung WC as well as floor standing WC. And this is a selection of control plate that we can supply in order to complete the installation. We got also a Motica, which is an electronic system, a sensor-operated tank that can flush according to the desire you have in terms of volume of water. You can adjust the volume of water in order to save water and reduce the water consumption. So come and visit us. We are here until Friday. I hope to see you soon.
RBM stand. This is Gianfranco. Hello, Gianfranco.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you again.
And Gianfranco presented us some new products from RBM range.
Right, correct.
We can start.
Perfect. We have here on this panel our complete range of magnetic filtration, starting from a compact magnetic filter, typically for gas boilers, up to 35 kilowatt. Then we have also this new line, where we have here with a diverter and a shut-off system, filter, magnetic filter, and a polyphosphate doser.
Oh, okay.
We have the same concept in the compact way also for another.
Two-in-one body.
The body is the same, right, correct. This part is a common part. We are just replacing the bottom part. This is a magnetic filter. Here is a polyphosphate doser, including the gel inside. This is the technology is the same. This is a compact version, if typically you have an air connection with a boiler. Here, in this level, we have 3 filters specifically developed for heat pumps. That's why heat pumps, they require higher energy efficiency. It means that they are requiring to have a higher KVS.
Yeah, of course.
Here is the maximum KVS that we can offer, is a 17.7 thousand liters. Here we have 2 versions of MP, MP2 and MP2 big, with a diverter. All of them with a shut-off system integrated, so you don't need any ball valves to close the circuit. And here we have a 10,500 liters as KVS. On the bottom, these are filters developed either for gas boilers of medium size and heat pumps. Our Safekiner 2 in a polymer with a brass diverter. Our Magnus 2 for higher temperature up to 110 degrees Celsius, 10 bars as a working pressure, and with a diverter and with an inline connection we have our Dirter Mag up to 2 inches with also an internal magnet.
And the legendary filter
Yes,
MG1.
I mean MG1 is a filter that we have presented 9 years ago.
90s.
And we produce more than 1 million pieces. And became a benchmarking for everybody. I mean, all the filters presented by other companies after this, that it was the very first compact filter on the market, more or less this was such a kind of inspiration for all of them, because they used this shape. Some of them they tried to change it. But this is, in any case, is the most recognized compact filter on the market. Exactly, absolutely, absolutely.
Okay, we maybe can go to
very interesting is the design of this new thermostatic head, designed by Piero Lissoni, a very famous Italian architect. We have completely redesigned our thermostatic valve with the traditional handle and also with the thermostatic head. That is a head with the main feature, obviously the design is absolutely modern, and there is a possibility to change the temperature setting, that the element they can be absolutely fixed without any moving up and down. That is more elegant in the setting.
It's available in 2 colors.
We
black
have
and white.
This is TL1 is the thermostatic head for traditional radiator systems. Then we have another range with the same design called TL Valve 70. That is a set of thermostatic valves and lock shield and heads for towel heater. That's why the colors are completely different, and the color of the handle and the head is the same color of the body of the valves. So the valves, they are colored in different colors: black, bronze, silver, and so on.